guys, welcome. We're going to be making a milkshake today. So today, we will be making a s'mores milkshake. All of our recipes will be found right on the side here of our milkshake machine. We're going to flip it over to s'mores. We're going to start with our dairy base, our 2% milk. We're going to be measuring it out to 4 ounces. 4 ounces. We're going to pour it into our cup. The milk is going to make it about halfway to that first notch. We're going to take the cup over here with our scoop. We're going to head over to the vanilla. Now we're going to do 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream. And all recipes are made with 4 ounces of our 2% milk and 4 scoops of whatever ice cream of their choice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally 4. So 4 scoops, 4 ounces. Going to close it, take it back over here. You can put that there until you take it into the back. We're going to head over to our machine now. If you can see right here, there's a little notch that you're going to slide your cup into. And you can lean the cup and rest it right here. When we slide this up into the spot, it's going to turn the machine on. And you're going to lean your cup on the ledge, and it will blend for you. If you look up here, we have 3 different speeds: first, second, and third. First will make it very, very smooth. Third will make it very, very creamy. So you can set it to the way you need. You're going to keep with it the whole time to make sure it does not come off. Another way that you can do this is if you want to hold the cup and then pull this lever here forward, you can blend it while holding it. You're going to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. It's going to take about a moment. And drop it on down. You would then clean your machine with a rag or whatever we have at the time to clean it with. We're going to come over here. You're going to use a 16-ounce cup. All of our milkshakes come in a 16-ounce size. You're going to decorate it accordingly to whatever drink you are making. Since we're doing s'mores, we will do a little marshmallow drizzle, a little chocolate, and we'll do a little bit of graham cracker on it just to give it a little pizzazz. You're going to take your milkshake, you're going to pour it right on in there. You're going to want your milkshake to hit right to this line here. That way you have plenty of room for carrying and or whipped cream. Take your whipped cream, give it a nice little swirl. Again, according to what kind of a milkshake it is how you're going to decorate it. A couple of lines on top. Little graham cracker. Let it. Grab a straw. And hand it off to that lucky customer. And that is how you do a milkshake.